Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Discord AI image generator. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for AI image generator Discord. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the website at the top and this web page will open up. Here, you just need to click on the Add App button at the right side and you will be prompted to sign into your Discord account. After signing in, you will be asked to select the server in which you want to install the bot and click on the Continue button. After that, click on the Authorize button and then complete the human verification. Once done, click on the Go to Server button and you can see that the bot has been added as a new member. In order to get all of the functions, click on the message bar at the bottom and type in /help. Now give it a go and you will be able to use these prompts to generate images or videos. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.